what's going on? You're the iTunes fanboy here. So today I've got this new accessory. It's called a ring light. Supposedly, it's an elf glow-on-the-go selfie light. My dad's been really excited about this, so yeah, let's look at this box here. How to remove the plastic film from battery slot before using. Gently squeeze the top of the light to open and clip onto phone. Turn the light on, press down the small button on top of the light. Continue clicking to increase brightness and turn off. In case you're wondering where to buy this, my dad got this from Walmart. Let's unbox this baby. As we can see, we've got the star of the scene, and that's all there is to it. Hang on here. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Here that's got different modes. Look at that, look at that. Now let's go get some clips outside. I am shooting this video on the iPhone 11 Pro, by the way. So let me know how I'm doing. Now before I get started, I would like to take a moment and say that the quality may vary from device to device depending on what model you have. So it's going to probably be better on here, on the iPhone 11 Pro, than it might be on some phones. Anywho, let's get this party started. I am back right now, so I am going to do a demo. Here's a very good dark shot. So there are 3 different settings: a low bright, a medium on this elf ring light, a low bright, a medium bright, and a high bright. So do not get in trouble with copyright. So let's go ahead and test it on the low light system. Definitely does make some difference. Like I said, it's placed in the middle of my camera, so it might make a difference. This is a dirt track. This is not very good for outdoor dark shots. Let's try medium high. Now the medium high is a bit better. Pardon my dogs for looking at something. It's definitely not as bad. It certainly is not that slow. This is the high bright. Oh boy, I'm rocking now. Like I said, this is a demo. So this is the iTunes fanboy. This is my first time recording on an iPhone 11 Pro Max, so quality may be a bit better. I'm recording at 4K 60 frames per second, so please like this video, and if you want to do it, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.